Hello guys, this is Shaheb Ali from System Bug. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your PC more faster. I'm just show you the 10 tricks to make your PC more faster. So let's start. First you have to open your task manager and you should know the current status of the memory. You can see here is the memory status 3.3 3.3 mega giga consuming that about let's see process. You will see the memory is consuming Google Chrome 17 Google Chrome consuming 329.5 MB. That means huge RAM is consumed by the Google Chrome. So this is the most of the causes. You can see the here is the consumer who consume the memory more and make your PC slow. So you should delete the unusable software which is running in backend, or something that like a Chrome which is consuming more RAM. So how can you minimize the consuming of the RAM by the Google Chrome? You should open the Google Chrome and go to the system settings, Google Chrome settings. Click extension. There is a few extension is here which is running in backend. That's why the Google Chrome is more consuming the power. Or let's see the 400 MB is consuming. This is huge. And on the other side, the Camtasia recording is 183.5 MB. This is a required software. That's why this is consuming. This is not a matter, but the Google Chrome is consuming is as unexpected. So you can minimize the all Google Chrome, which is 17 extension here. You can just put up them down, so you will get the RAM free. This is not usable. When you need to use it, you just open it and open it and enable it. That's enough. This one is necessary because I just use sometimes to log in. However, now your extension is off and you can see the ridiculously changed 8 number of Google Chrome is now inside, and now 250 MB is consuming. This is ridiculously changed actually. So you can minimize from there, or you can just check the there is any software or malware in this backend service is running. If there is, then you can stop them, or in task, right click on the software and in task now, then the software will be closed and your RAM will be free. So this is important software running in the backend, so there is no problem. If you see the unexpected any malware or anything software, then you will just close them. Since I am not using Chrome right now, so I'm just in text now, so that the 253 RAM can be free. See the right now the 3.3 MB uses 3.3 GB. So right now I'm just closing or in text the Chrome. Now see, ridiculously changing the power of consuming the RAM. So this is the way you can minimize the consuming power of any software, and you make your PC more faster. So now 2.9 and 2.9 GB is using, so this is reasonable. And this one the fast process, and you have to just check and make sure that there is no malware inside your PC. So now you can check your msconfig functionality. msconfig is always setting by default, and there is a lot of software a program is running startup, so which is not necessary actually. So you need to just make sure that there is no other software is running backend when starting your computer. Just ensure and just uncheck them, uncheck them and just apply. I just unchecked few times ago. This is not necessary to check, so I just uncheck this one and this one and this one. If you think that this one is not necessary, then you can just Dropbox insurance. You can just you can see the running. That means the program is running in backend. So this may also consume your RAM. So you just uncheck them and save, apply, and okay. So you just check each and every program. So if you think anyone is not necessary, then you just uncheck, then apply and okay, without exit, without restart. This is the two systems, and there are three more. Number 3 is service.msc. Now there is a service running in backend. You can see the running. The most important thing here is the smart face. You should stop them. Stop the unusable service like superface. I just disabled sometimes ago. So if you think that, if you see that your PC is running, you just can disable and stop and disable, then apply and okay. And if your PC is not registered, then you should stop also your Windows update. Like here I'm just my PC is registered license Windows, so I'm not stopping this. If your PC is not licensed Windows, then you should stop, so that the PC will not run in backend and your PC will make faster. And if you think that there are some services there that you are not using, then you can stop it. Okay, then the next step to make your PC faster is regedit, but you don't need to edit. I think set a recent. Just delete the recent file. I just cleaned sometimes ago. You can see a Bangla tutorial in my channel related to about this, so that the Bengali people can also understand and see. I just make this for the Bengali, and this one is for the multilingual peoples. Third is preface. Preface is also empty because I already removed it. Recent, preface, and tree. You should make the tree once in a session, because the tree reads all the files in backend. So the PC is known every file and each and file, so PC can go easily and run easily from file to file. The tree is ridiculously increase your PC faster, make your PC faster. Okay, I can minimize it. I am showing another things. Temp percent is the most important thing that you should remove each and every week, because the percent collect the many garbage when you is using your application in daily life, and they make the garbage, they create the garbage. Temp percent is collect and reserve it for the recovery purpose. So you should just delete each and every file, shift delete. Sometimes I saw that my PC is 6 GB 7 GB in a week I remove, so it makes my PC slower. I always try to remove this also. And last one is temp. Temp also removable, so you should remove these temps also. This is using right now, that's why this is not removing, those are not removing. So now you can see that your PC is more faster than the previous. My PC is more faster than previous. And one of the more important thing that when your PC is starting, that there are some program is running during PC startup. So there are some programs you are not using, then you can just exit or hide, or just stop the startup opening. Right click on this programs and exit. Maybe Skype is there is no option from here, you should start the from service or something else. However, now your PC is more faster, so just try it and go fast than previous. Thank you, that's all from my end. So I think it will be helpful for your